it.
Hello folks, this is Seaton from wildrose911.com. We had a customer call us and he said his car was making a funny noise as he's driving down the road. He described it to me and I told him that I thought his top A-arms were worn out. And he said, well, how can you tell me over the phone what's wrong with my car? And I said, well, we are the experts. Been doing this for 25 years. And as long as you're giving me the correct noise the car is making, and it was pretty funny, he was going when I go over a bump. I said, yeah, I know what that noise is. He said he'd taken it to several other places, they hadn't been able to fix it for him, and he was going to bring it to us. So he brought it to us, and here's what happens when your A-arm bushes go bad. I was right. See that bush moving around in there? So as he was going over bumps, the A-arm was doing this, and it was making a noise. So we fixed that for him, took care of it, very happy, and he suggested that I do a YouTube video to let people know we are so good at repairing these vehicles, we can work over the phone and in most cases tell you what's wrong with your vehicles and price it up. So he was very impressed, taking it to another couple of places. They hadn't fixed it for him, had spent a lot of money doing the wrong things, but because we're experts at it. So that's what a bush that's gone bad looks like. And this happens a lot with control arms on vehicles. Bushes go bad, they start making noise, throws your wheel alignment out, messes up your tires. So contact us. We work on all sorts of vehicles. We specialise in police vehicles, Crown Victorias, Tahoes and Expeditions and Explorers, but we'll work on anything. Very cost effective, we have the parts available, we get it done for you. So check out our YouTube channel, subscribe, that helps us, and bring your babies down. We'll take care of them. Have a nice day.